Hey champs! Ready to meet talking animals, clever robots, and magical surprises? Let's jump in! In the heart of a bright, beautiful forest, three best friends loved to play every day. Sunny the Scarecrow, Robo Tin the Robot, and Leo the Lion. They played games, told jokes, and always looked for new adventures. One sunny morning, they found a glowing magic pot sitting under a giant tree. Leo peeked at it and said, "Who put this here?" Robo beeped and scanned the pot. Beep beep. Magic detected. Sunny grinned, "Let's open it together." When they peeked inside, poof! Colorful pencils, shining stars, candies, and twinkling lights flew up high. A magical voice whispered, "Only kind hearts can open this pot." The friends cheered and danced with joy. And from that day, they shared happiness all over the forest, making the magical world brighter than ever. Kids, if you found a magic pot, what would you wish for? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical stories.